I'm a full-time fashion designer since 15 years and I travel a lot for leisure and of course for business, and I will show you how your garments will stay wrinkle-free when you travel. How to fold socks. You take them very flat on the table, you take them at the heel and fold them, then you put it in one hand and then you turn it inside out as flat as possible and make sure that the rubber is not on tension, so it's flat, super flat and tight. You can put it now like this in the suitcase or in your shoe when you're traveling. How to fold your t-shirt for traveling or your shop. You put the t-shirt flat on the table, you imagine a line running from the shoulder to the bottom. Then you grab the middle, both layers, and the shoulder, both layers. Then you fold it over, push this one out, give it a little shake, and then you fold it over and your t-shirt is perfectly flat. How to fold your trousers the correct way. Put them flat, flat, flat on your table, folded. Then put a t-shirt or pullover or whatsoever in the middle. Some people now roll it. I'm not a big fan of rolling it. I'm a fan of folding. So that's why I'm folding it once over. And then I fold it another time. And then you can put it like this, either in the shopping bag of your customer or into your suitcase. And if you're not traveling but packing for a customer, then you can, and you don't have a t-shirt, for example, put the t-shirt out and put something else in, like a shopping bag, or for example. And then you fold it again, or a piece of paper would also be great, tissue paper, for example. And then you wrap it again, and then you put it in the bag of the customer. How to fold a shirt correctly for traveling? You put the shirt flat on the table. Then you fold in one sleeve, and the cuff needs to be folded in. Then you take the other sleeve, cross, and you fold it again in. Then you take the bottom part, you fold it up, everything nice and flat. And this is the most important thing because your collar is the most important part of a shirt. You fold that in and it stays perfectly like this. And then you fold in one side to the middle and the other side to the middle. Fold it again. And then you put it like this in your suitcase. The most difficult thing is how to fold a jacket, but not with this trick. So you take the jacket, you pull one arm out like this, then you put the other arm in. Some now like fold up the collar completely. I will do this. Then you put everything flat on the table. You close the buttons. And then you check if everything is nice and flat. Then you can put whatever inside or not, but you can. And then you fold it once again. Check if everything is flat and then you put it like this in your suitcase.